Tips for planning your DAAD alumni event. Your event has been approved? Let's start the organization. This is DAAD alumnus Bao from Vietnam. He wants to bring together alumni from 25 years of DAAD funding. This is Natalia, a German DAAD lecturer from Poland. Together with the German embassy, she is planning to organize a conference for former scholarship holders. Where can I get the current addresses of interested DAAD alumni? Bao wonders. Should we include alumni living abroad digitally? And who will host the event? The German embassy has agreed to support Natalia's event by providing food and location. She wants to invite DAAD alumni to a World Cafe event, focusing on strategies for professional careers. But who is my target group, Natalia is wondering, and are there any additional activities planned? It is recommended not to plan the event on the same day as national holidays or events such as elections or sports events. Remember, all the planning can be done ahead, but wait for the DAAD funding approval before signing any contracts. To plan ahead smartly, consider what technical equipment you will need and what kind of location you have in mind. Bao consults the DAAD regional office in Hanoi on how to get in contact with the alumni. Please remember, it's very important to take data privacy and data security seriously. Natalia speaks to the embassy in regular intervals to keep them updated and discuss questions regarding equipment and contributions. It is recommended to secure a fixed number of participants. This will entail further registrations. Natalia checks all important points on her spreadsheet ahead of time and reminds her partners of their responsibilities. Bao checks with the DAAD regional office what grants, projects and programs have taken place over the last 25 years. He consults members of his club about the event program. What's been successful up till now? Natalia prepares a call for website and social media and gets in touch with the Alumni Deutschland for registration management support. Bao gets in contact with possible speakers and partners for the event. We recommend staying flexible and keeping environmental sustainability in mind when planning an event. It is getting more and more important to take advantage of digital tools, to include speakers on other continents, digital matchmaking, and audience surveys. Tip: good food and coffee breaks double as networking opportunities. Natalia's participants are happy to have met important new people in a casual setting. Bao's guests were moved by the festive event, where they were able to relive good memories. Bao and Natalia are happy. The hard work of the last weeks has paid off. They are looking forward to the next event.